When you have a high calorie intake and a poor energy expenditure, you are overweight or clinically obese. You can lose weight by either reducing your calorie consumption or exercising regularly while reducing your calorie intake. It is always more advantageous to work out as well. Here are 5 easy ways to lose weight. One. Include eggs in your diet. Eggs are the ultimate weight loss food. They're low cost, low calorie, high protein, and loaded with vitamins and minerals. High-protein foods have been shown to reduce appetite and promote fullness when compared to low-protein diets. Furthermore, as compared to bagels for breakfast, eating eggs for breakfast may result in a 65% greater weight loss over 8 weeks. It may also help you eat less calories during the remainder of the day. 2. Make your dishes a little spicier. Capsaicin, a substance present in chili peppers and jalapenos, has been demonstrated to help in fat burning and metabolism. Capsaicin may also aid weight loss by decreasing hunger and calorie consumption. 3. Take probiotics as a supplement. Probiotics are living bacteria that provide health benefits when eaten. Weight loss as well as digestive and cardiovascular health might all be aided by them. According to studies, obese and overweight people have different gut bacteria than normal weight people, which may influence weight. Probiotics may help to regulate healthy gut microbes. They may lower appetite and inflammation by preventing dietary fat from being absorbed. Lactobacillus casei offers the most promising weight loss effects of all the probiotic bacteria. 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for weight loss and weight loss prevention. According to research, sleep-deprived people are up to 55% more likely to become obese than those who get enough sleep. The figure is much greater for children and teenagers. This is largely owing to the fact that lack of sleep disrupts daily appetite hormone oscillations, resulting in poor appetite regulation. 5. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber-rich foods may help you lose weight. Foods high in water-soluble fiber may be especially useful, as this type of fiber can help improve feelings of fullness. Fiber has been found to enhance the secretion of satiety hormones, slow stomach emptying, and expand the stomach. As a result, we eat less spontaneously and without thinking about it. Furthermore, a variety of fibers can aid in the nourishment of your stomach's beneficial bacteria. Healthy gut flora has been related to a lower risk of obesity. Increase your fiber intake gradually to avoid digestive discomfort like bloating, cramps, and diarrhea. That's it, guys. See you soon with new information and tips. I hope you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.